Welcome back to the crypto nest. So Bitcoin, as we see, the RSI it's being oversold now, and no, didn't want to do that. And if we go back in time, we can see that every time is oversold. Then after that, well, it's going to bounce back like every coin. So, is this a good time to buy crypto? Well, I would say yes. That's my opinion anyway. And this is what I'm going to do today. I'm going to flip into a shopping mode. Now let me go on the 1 hour chart. So you remember yesterday I did a quick video about Bitcoin, and I did this extended count wave. Then I said this should be the end of the wave 3, and if that is the case, with this we need to do a wave 4, which now we did, and reached the minimum requirement. You can see that I really stopped at the 0.236 Fibonacci retracement. Now we're continuing down. So what would be the next target? So this was the 1, this is the 2. So the 1 would start here, and I'm going to add it to the end of the wave 4. So the 1-to-1 ratio is going to bring us to, let me put horizontal ray. It's going to bring us here. I'm going to take out this so it's clearer, and maybe I should change the color though. Maybe green. All right. So this is one way of calculating that. Also, we can see that it is between the 0.618 and the 0.786 of the Fibonacci retracement of the bigger wave that we just did here. Now, the other thing we can do, it's again doing the extension. So this was the beginning of the wave 1. This is the end of the wave 2. And let's see where we are. So we already passed the 2.618. So okay, now I'm going to add maybe the 3 level, 2.618. Yeah, I think the 3 should be okay. And let me see here like that. Okay, so actually we already kind of touched the 3. We're almost there. So yeah, I would say that the next level would be 18,282, and as you can see, it's coincide also with the other calculation that was to add the inner level 5. So adding the depth or the length of the first wave of the micro counting, it brings us to 18,534, and then if I do the same thing for the larger count, it brings us to 18,282. So it's we have like about $200 or $300 difference. So I would say more likely we're going to get there. Also, we can see that we have a mini support here. So yeah, I would say we have good chances to complete this final 5th wave and then complete a reversal. So I'm going to get a little bit of Bitcoin for long term, for my long-term wallet, and I'm going today to well, yesterday I missed the chance a little bit because I was working and I was into shopping mode, but Ethereum as well is doing this correction, and I believe, let me see now, this 1, 2, this is the 3, the 4, I believe. So it should go a little bit lower as well. So if we reach 1322, I'm going to get a little bit of more ETH. I'm going to go and get some Matic as well. for long-term hodling. And if I actually extend this wave here, okay, so we're still reacting to this long-term downtrend line. And what else? I'm definitely going now to get some optimism as well, because now it's reaching our larger pullback. So now I am invalidating this third wave count because I don't know what happened here. So this doesn't work anymore. We drop out. I find it's so this is the end of the wave 1, and we did the A, a B, and now we're doing the C. All right, so I will get a little bit of optimism and definitely some atom as well, even though I believe it should go a little bit lower as well. But you know, it's reacting kind of well, so maybe it's not even going to lower. It's a possibility. So that would be a 1, a 2, this would be the 3, and this is the 4. That's a big retracement for the 4 though. Maybe tomorrow I'm going to have more time, so I will do a little bit more in detail atom. And then for sure I'm going to get some AJAX as well. I did got some at 35 and 32 cents, but I do believe that we are due for another lower low. So I would say let's say 30 cents. I'm going to put an order for 30 cents. And maybe one at 26 cents if it goes there, you know. So now it's really time, if you want to get some altcoin, I would say it's the time, in my opinion, to get some for a long term. And let's just keep in mind that it's not 100% sure. Actually, my primary expectation is that Bitcoin is going to reach lower prices. So for sure, altcoin are going to get wrecked, and they're going to reach maybe lower prices as well. So I do buy some, but I don't go all in. I already have some, so that's why I'm able to do that. So let's remember that we had that flipping point, and that we cannot break. It's the 17,600, if I remember by well, 17,570. So if we go below that, it's invalidating all this wave 2, and it means we're going to do a fifth leg to complete the C correction, to complete the bigger wave 2, which is going to restart, right? Because we're going to invalidate this wave 2, so it means we're going to do a reset. We're going to reach lower prices. So when I say reset, it means that all this, it's we cannot call it a 1-2 anymore, and then we wait for the next impulsive movement, and we will start back, and this will be our first wave. So these are the two options. Either we hold this level, or we do a reset. And for sure, if we go lower, all the crypto altcoins will suffer. So, you know, if we reach near, I would say 18,000, I would be start to, consider because if Bitcoin loses another, 15-20%, while the altcoin are going to lose 30%. So after you can do your management, your risk management. Actually, we should always do that. So for the coins that are short term, I always have my sell stop limit on, so that I preserve my capital. Just because if that happens, I have more cash flow to buy cheaper. All right, so this is my opinion and my view on the market of today. Just remember that okay, let me delete some. Gonna start to be a little bit crazy. Okay, so let's just remember that many people they they say, oh my god, like you're so lucky, you bought at I don't know, $9,000, and then it go higher, and then after that when it drop, then they're scared. And then I find now it's not the time to be scared, it's time to scale in, not go all in, but maybe we need to show some I don't want to say courage, but if you really believe in crypto and you really believe in Bitcoin, then it shouldn't be that hard to I would say invest in these levels, even though if we are aware that it can go lower. Well, in my case, if we go lower, I'm even happier because I would get even cheaper. This is how I am convinced that crypto is going to stay. And by the way, Silvergate Bank just got liquidated, and then I don't know if you heard yesterday the big drop was due to the Silicon Valley liquidation that got seized, I guess, by the regulation. It got shut down by regulators. So that was a bank. So all these 6-8 months, and especially since the FTX collapse, the thought it was, don't trust crypto. Crypto, it's a scam, and then your money is safe with banks and fiat. Well, nothing changed since 2008. It's just a big repeat. So now we don't know who else invested in Silicon Valley. I know Circle did, and then that's why USDC now it start to be depegged. They had, if I remember, 3.2 billions that now they're stuck in Silicon Valley Bank. So who else? Who else got stuck in that bank? And what are going to be the aftermaths of this belly up bank? All right, so stay safe. Believe in crypto. Not your keys, not your crypto, very important. So keep your money with you, don't trust anyone, and you'll be sleeping like an angel. Okay, so this is all for today. Please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell, and maybe have a nice weekend shopping. See you.